This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Amy Geller. Fixer-upper on 7.57 acres with a ton of potential. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, in-house laundry, small bonus room that would make a great office, and a large screened-in back patio overlooking the scenic backyard. The home was double-wide with large multi-level additions. The majority of the property is cleared and fenced, great for animals or farming. New owner could subdivide if desired. There is a second double-wide mobile home on the property that could be purchased separately. Please inquire for additional information. Each home has its own well and septic. All information is taken from Owner and MCPA and is deemed to be true and correct, however listing agent assumes no liability for possible misinformation. Home is being sold as is with right to inspect. Owner is willing to accept financing, FHA or conventional, however, we do not know for certain if it will qualify. 24-hour notice along with a prequalification letter or POF is required before scheduling showings. For more information, review the details below or contact Amy Geller at 352-282-2023.